to another amazing project by yours truly, AmazingAltus. So today, we are going to be making steamed milk cupcakes. It's basically gonna be like a puto molder, but it's okay. This time I'm cooking. Okay, the putos are ready. Well, not yet, later. So we're gonna grab one. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So guys, do you notice anything? Yes, I made an official background and it's like really so good. And you may be thinking, who are these people that are in my background? These are my friends. I just want to make my friends famous and I want my friends to be known in the public. So please go to their social medias, and I don't really think that you can understand me right now. Bad grammar. I have really bad grammar. So by the way, this is my background. I'm gonna show you in 3, 2, 1. now that you saw my background, I'm gonna say bye now. Bye.